Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change password in Temu account, and now let's dive right in. Now to change a password in Temu account, first open up a Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of icons available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the account security at the top of the screen, guys, in the green button. Tap on the account security and you land on this interface where you can see the password option available for us. Now in order to change your password or add your password, tap on add or change, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to enter a minimum 8 characteristics. So let's enter the password, and after that tap on submit, and your password will be submitted. And with that being said, guys, next time if you want to edit it, you can just tap on edit it, enter your old password. If you have forgotten it, guys, you can see you'll be required to enter your old password like this, and enter your new password over here, whichever may it be, and then tap on the submit button over here, and then your password will be changed. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change a password in Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.